Adventures, and today we have an animal Amazon box for you guys. Let's see what it is. This is a huge box. So I have these little scissors because I'm not going to use the big scissors. And now let's open this up. Here we got Chubby Puppies. So let's see what the other ones is. And I'll talk about this later. Okay, so we got some more of this things. Now let's see what's next. We got another of them. Little packs. There it is. And it says it's a beagle. And this one is a, I don't know what it is yet. But this one's a beagle. There it is. Okay, let's get the next one. Here is the puppy play park. Here it is. And it says you can connect other playset playground things onto the big playground. Okay, let's throw this box away. Good, now we can play. What is this? Here they are, guys. These are Chubby Puppies. We also got the playground too. The box is crooked, but let's start with the little ones first. I'm going to put this right here. Okay, let's start with the beagle. So, let's open this up and see what it does. Here it is. The Chubby Puppy playset. So, you can collect other Chubby Puppies. Here they are. So, now let's take them out and see. So, we finally got it open, and here is the little tunnel. It has the bone right here, and it comes with this little cage too. This is like a little travel cage. It also has a handle, that's a doggy bone. And finally, the beagle. I don't know what to name it. Here it is. It has some tail spot there. Brown ears and his tongue. And he also comes with a shoe and a stuffed animal squirrel. Look! It comes from the tunnel! Oh, here, eat the squirrel! Eat! Yay! Good job, Puppy! It looks so cool! Good job, Puppy! Good job! Good puppy! Okay. I'm gonna have you go inside the tunnel. We are going to open this pack now. You guys will see it when it's out. Let's open. We got some big scissors too. Okay, here are the toys. First I'll start the playgrounds. But I'm going to start with the puppies. See how they work. So, here they are. I'm going to take off the sticker off this and put it. I'm going to put it right here. Over here in the trash. Okay, this is how they work. I'll show it with the beagle. The beagle? Okay, so this black thing You just turn it on like that, and then the legs move. And then I'm going to turn on this one, and then we'll see how they move. There they are. Here, let's go in the playground. That's how they go. You guys can see what the playground looks like. Here is the walking center. That's what I call it, a walking center. These hearts, you have to pass, the puppies have to pass through the hearts and try to get that bone through. Basically, these things move and they come off easily. Let me show you with this one. Okay, so you turn them on, and then they go through the heart and you get the bone. That's their prize, going through the bone. There it is. So, the next thing is this. The little tunnel, same thing with the other one, it has a bone at the end. Let's do it with the beagle. Let's turn it on. There it is. Then we put it through the hair, and then there it is. Let's go into the camera. Now let's go to the cages. Here is the beagle's cage. It has a heart, and there's some hearts on the sides too, and then there's the back. And it also has a bone carrier thingy. Bone handle, I mean. And then you can put the puppy inside, and you can take them on a trip in your favorite rocket ship. This is a cage. Comes with some toys. A shoe or a squirrel? A shoe or a squirrel? I think, a squirrel. Put that squirrel in the mouth. Or maybe the shoe. Maybe he'll fit better in the shoe. Definitely. Really loud. Ooh, here's another cage. I bet it's for this. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, this plain ball. Ooh. Ooh, a frisbee. It goes in its mouth. Oh, frisbee. Oops. Frisbee. Frisbee meat. Okay, I guess it works better with the ball. I can take this on a trip. Actually, both of them. Yay. Playground. Playground. Let's go through here and then here. Let's start with a he or she. A he or she. I think a she. I'll call this one Marlin and this one Marlin. No, Marlin. I made a dog course. Let's start with this one. Let's turn it on, make sure it works, and go to the obstacle. It fell, it tumbled. No, it didn't tumble. Okay, I'll hold that. Go through, yay, it went through. I'll put it inside its kennel while it's waiting. Here you go. You can also have your frisbee and your little ball. Here, I'll put it on there. Okay, here it is. Ooh, let's switch this around. Let's do that. Now it's this guy's turn. Turn it on, make sure it works, and go! It's not going through. Yay! I'm a little puppy, I'm a little puppy, I'm a little puppy, I'm a little puppy. Here I go! Boy! Nope, no, you can't go that way. You can't go that way. You can't go that way. These toys are for ages 4 and up. To let you guys know, so like 3-year-old, 2-year-olds, or 1-year-olds can't play these because they might choke on a box or the toys too and slobber all over them and break the toys. Great. Okay, back to the toys. This little man in this cage. Here's his toys. Let's open this so they can go on a trip. Okay, Here you go. Let's close that. Here's your little toy. Here, you can hold a squirrel, but the shoe will be back here. Okay, now let's go on a trip. Boom, ba-doom, ba-doom, boom, 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 boom. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far to this video, make sure to smack that like button and make sure to subscribe too, because we'll make a video of this if you subscribe and like both of them. Not just one, but both of them. And if you want to see more of the Chubby Puppies. Thanks for watching. Bye. I'm going to trip on some Chubby Puppies with me. Bye.